Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today we've got a nice quick video. I'm just going to show you how to change or reset your combination lock for a master lock 4686 EURT or 4686T model. I do get asked quite a lot how to reset or even set these because sometimes the instructions are sent and they're not very clear, let's be honest. Not everybody seems to be able to understand them or read them clearly. And in some cases you have to kind of fill in the blanks with how to set the code, turn it a certain way and so on. But there's a very basic premise that I'll show you now. We've opened up our lock and we've seen now that it's factory set at 000 or how many more you may have. Now this is the standard combination, so what we're going to do on this particular lock is lift up the shackle, which is a silver arm at the back, and then we're going to turn it a full 180 degrees. So straight from the top straight to the bottom. Because you can see you've got tiny little rivets on the shackle that click into place, and then you're going to push down firmly like so. Now you must keep it pressed down because it's spring loaded, and if you don't it won't work. Then we're going to set the code to what we like, and we're just going to go, I don't know, 545 for the purpose of the video. Then once we're happy we've set our pin, we're going to lift it up and turn it 90 degrees and pop it up. Then once it's popped up we're going to turn it around 270 degrees back the other way back to the shackle lock and push down. Then once we've pushed it down we're going to lift it back up, and there we go. Pop it back in, jumble the numbers up, and we're locked. So we're going to set it at 545 just to make sure it's worked. And lift up. There we go. Perfect. Done. That is how you reset your combination or set your combination master lock. So thank you very much for watching guys. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. The 468